Imagine stepping outside in the middle of winter and harvesting fresh, crisp salad greens straight from your garden. Yes, even when the snow is falling, you can enjoy vibrant, healthy greens all year long. In this video, I'll share simple but powerful techniques to keep your salads growing strong, no matter the season. First, choose cold-resistant varieties. Kale, spinach, and arugula thrive in chilly weather. They not only tolerate frost, but often taste sweeter after a cold spell. Mulch around their roots and consider adding row covers to give them extra protection. Next, use greenhouses or cold frames. These create a warm microclimate, protecting your plants from harsh winds and freezing nights. Even a small portable version can extend your growing season by weeks, or even months. If outdoor space is limited, bring the garden inside. Containers, pots, or even a sunny windowsill can become a year-round salad station. Microgreens in particular are fast-growing and perfect for small spaces. Want to take things further? Try hydroponics. This soil-free system uses nutrient-rich water to grow lettuce, spinach, and herbs indoors. It's clean, space-saving, and produces greens faster than traditional gardening. Another easy option is container gardening. Grow salad greens in pots, window boxes, or repurposed containers. Position them in sunny spots, or use grow lights to ensure steady growth even on dark winter days. Speaking of growth, don't forget the basics: light and water. Winter days are short, so invest in LED grow lights to give your plants the energy they need. And when watering, do it in the morning to prevent freezing and keep moisture balanced. Once your greens are ready, harvest carefully. Cut outer leaves first, allowing the plant to keep producing. Then celebrate your winter harvest. Toss greens into warm salads, soups, or wraps for a burst of freshness in every meal. With the right varieties, smart tools, and a little creativity, you can grow salad greens all year round, even through the coldest winter months. Fresh, homegrown, and always within reach. Be sure to check out this video for more.